Okay, Bubs. Let's look at your truck book, okay?
Okay.
Tell me what you see.
Bulldozer.
Yeah, good job. What's this one?
Yeah. Yeah.
What's it called?
Excavator.
Mm-hmm.
Bulldozer.
What is this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's this one?
Skid
Skid steer loader, right. What's the next one?
Paver.
Paver, uh-huh.
Motivator.
Mm-hmm.
Bulldozer.
Uh-huh.
Backloader.
Uh-huh.
Boom.
That one has a boom, a material handler. Uh-huh.
A dumpster.
Good. And what's this called?
Yeah. Yeah.
What's this one?
Yeah.
Dumper body? Which one are you looking for?
Loader.
The loader? Oh! Did you find it?
Yeah.
You're doing a good job.
Boom. Excavator. Bulldozer. Oh. Motivator.
You have some common interest with Josie and Bo? They like trucks and tractors and diggers too?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to go find some
Yeah.
outside?
Yeah.
Okay. Say bye.